That wasn't speculation.
So, and actually I should say a tiny house at Starbase.
That was Elon Musk speaking internally. And this, what you're about to hear, comes from a leaked slide shown at a Tesla meeting just last week. Today, I'm showing you what Tesla engineers are reportedly building right now inside Gigafactory Nevada. And if you're over 55, watching housing costs slowly erase your retirement savings, this might be the most important video you watch this year. Let me be crystal clear from the start. This is not a rebranded boxable casita. Most YouTube videos are still using footage from 2017. What we're talking about today is Tesla's 2026 production housing platform, reportedly based on late 2025 engineering filings and internal documents. Not a concept, not vaporware. Real materials, real factories, real timelines. Welcome to InfoByte Network. The real housing crisis. In 2024, the average American home cost 12 times a worker's annual income. In cities like San Francisco and New York, even modest apartments routinely cross $1 million. For millions of people, home ownership is no longer difficult, it's impossible. And this isn't just economic. Housing determines where you live, how you age, whether you stay independent. Elon Musk has said repeatedly that if technology doesn't make housing affordable, progress will only benefit a few. That belief is what led Tesla to ask a radical question. What if homes were built the way cars are built? From a tiny house to a big idea. When Musk moved to Texas to oversee SpaceX's Starbase project, he didn't live in a mansion. He lived in a 400-square-foot modular home. That choice surprised people, but it revealed something important. Comfort isn't about size, it's about design, efficiency, and freedom from unnecessary complexity. That experiment planted the seed for what would become Tesla's housing concept: minimal, energy-independent, manufactured, not constructed. Musk realized the problem wasn't materials, it was a broken system. So he asked, if Tesla reinvented transportation, why not living itself? The factory that builds homes. Tesla didn't approach this like a construction company. They approached it like engineers. Traditional housing is slow, fragmented, and expensive. Tesla's approach is industrialized housing. Inside automated factories, entire wall sections, roofs, and utility systems are fabricated by robots. Aerospace-grade steel frames replace wood studs. Composite concrete panels are compressed under extreme pressure. The production line is reportedly over 90% automated using Tesla's own robotics. Every component is measured to millimeter-level tolerance. The result? Fire-resistant, waterproof, storm-rated, certified lifespan of 60-plus years. Once assembled, the structure folds, ships on a Tesla Semi, and installs in hours. This isn't construction, it's manufacturing. The real price and what it actually means. Here's where things get misunderstood. Leaked pricing suggests a base structural unit around $6,000, but that's just the shell. What most buyers reportedly choose is the complete independence package, which includes solar roof, battery backup, climate control, medical-grade air filtration, and smart safety flooring with fall detection. Estimated total? Around $15,000. Tesla reportedly offers 0% financing over 60 months, which works out to roughly $250 per month. Compare that to assisted living, $3,500 to $6,000 a month. Rent increases with no ownership. Mortgages lasting into retirement. This isn't about buying a tiny house, it's about buying independence. Can it survive real life? According to engineering data, wind tested to 180 miles per hour, Category 5 hurricanes, Zone 4 seismic rating, Class A fire resistance, insulation nearly twice as efficient as traditional homes. In simple terms, this house isn't going anywhere. If you're 60 today, this structure could realistically outlast you. Where this makes sense and where it doesn't. This part is critical. In Texas, Florida, Arizona, Nevada, and Idaho, these homes are classified as movable dwellings, similar to RVs. That means no property tax, place it on land you own, lower long-term costs. In states like California, Oregon, and Washington, the moment it's placed, it may be treated as permanent housing with full property taxes. Location matters more than the house itself. The contract reality. This isn't traditional homeownership. Reported contract terms raise real concerns. Limited warranty periods, resale restrictions, data collection from sensors and systems, and community or land use fees in certain zones. This is a managed living system, not a free and clear asset. For some people, that trade-off works. For others, it's a deal breaker. You need to know which one you are before signing anything. So should you buy one? Yes, if you live in a favorable state, you want energy independence, you're downsizing for lifestyle, not investment. You're comfortable with technology. No, if you want unrestricted ownership, privacy is your top priority. Property taxes erase the savings, you expect appreciation like traditional real estate. This isn't a house, it's a new way of living. Closing and call to action. Tesla isn't just experimenting with housing, it's testing whether independence can be manufactured at scale. Now I want to hear from you. Could you live comfortably in 240 square feet if it meant no mortgage, no utility bills, and real independence? Comment yes or no below. If you value analysis over hype, subscribe to InfoByte Network. We don't chase trends, we examine what actually matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.